Hello my friends, in this lesson we will learn how we can combine system data with manual data. This is a common scenario mainly in the finance sector where, for example, we have the official mapping of the accounts from the system, but for various reasons we are not happy with the mapping, so we want to have in a report our own mapping. Maybe an executive called us and told that the reports must be in another way, not in the way that the system is mapping. In this example, we have in the left the report with the mapping from the system, and in the right we have in the manual mapping. For example, team building and entertainment in the system are mapped in the marketing expenses and other income, but we want them to be mapped in the new class called protocol. And expenses of materials are in material expenses, but we want them to be mapped in other expenses. So, how we do this? I will present you the tables in Power BI. We have very simple two tables. A transaction table, okay, with the account keys and the values, and the account system mapping. Okay, they are linked with the account keys, and the account system is coming from an Access database. You will see now that it is coming from a database. Just 1 second. Okay, so it's an Access database, and the transactions are coming from an Excel file. Okay, so we have this P&L that I have presented you, the initial version, where the mapping is not the one that we want. So, how we do this? I have prepared a file with the manual mapping. Okay, first I will show you the source of the system data, the same that in Access. Okay, so we have here the 3 accounts, and we have those 3 accounts with a new mapping in an Excel file called manual mapping. Okay, so we want to load this table, this file. We will load in the system. Okay, manual accounts, load. Okay, but we want this to be disabled, so we want to disable this table. Okay, we disable it, close and apply, and then we go to the relationships, because this manual account, changes the relationship. Now we are back with the correct relationship. Okay, so what we do now, we go to edit query, and we will merge the system data with the manual data. Okay, so we go to merge queries, and we will merge the manual account key, and we want to have only the accounts in the system table that are not in the manual table. So we go to left and tie, rows only in first. Okay, so we want the rows that are in the manual table to be deleted from the system table. Okay? And here Power BI says the selection excludes 3 of 61 rows from the first table because we have now, before we have the merge, 61 rows. Okay? We press OK, and now we see that we have 58 rows. And now what we do, we will append the manual table. So, table to append, manual accounts. Okay? We have it appended, 61 rows again. Close and apply. And now we will go to the metrics, the visualization, and we will see that the mapping has changed. We go here and we see that team building is in protocol. Okay, entertainment is in protocol, and expenses of materials is in other expenses. Okay, expenses of materials is in other expenses, while in the beginning it wasn't material expenses. So this is a clever way to combine the system and manual data. Okay, if you would not do it, you have to brute force, to hostile takeover, to change the system mapping, to redirect it to your manual mapping. But if you do this, you will lose track of the changes in the system data and you will have errors. This is the clever way to combine system with manual data. I hope you find this video useful. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.